Hey guys, Glenn Murray, how are you? Hey, I'm just jumping on here real quick. I wanted to show you this really cool system that just launched today. I know everyone's talking about Chat GPT. This is an AI system that actually does all the work for you. So it's very, very, very cool. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you the system. I'm gonna show you some bonuses I put together for you. If you want to pick it up, I'd highly recommend picking it up. I think it's like 17 bucks. I think you can get it for about 14, I think, the discount. So it's a really robust affiliate marketing system, if you're looking for that, that's done with AI. So it's very, very cool. I think it's already, I just saw the vendor just told me within the first hour, it's already sold 100 units. So it's selling really, really well. All right. So if you're new to my channel, again, I'm Glenn Murray. I do reviews for info software, make money online stuff. I also do some other fun stuff, and I do a lot of training. So if you're interested in the training, click the link below. There's my number one business I recommend. Also, there should be some free training links in the link below. I'll also put a link to my bonus page so you can see exactly what you would be getting if you. I'm going to give you a bunch of really, really cool programs. Okay, so first off, let's jump over to the system here. So this is a plug and play. So 100% set and forget Chat GPT powered profit system for March 2023. This is limited time only. So basically it's a plug and play AI system that you copy and paste our done for you commission system, makes us $30,000 a month. Now this is the number 2 affiliate on Warrior Plus. So he makes much more than $30,000 a month, this guy, and he's always launching really cool products. They're full marketing suites. I own a bunch of his stuff. I will be owning this one. I just haven't picked it up yet because it just came out, and I was super busy because the kids just went back to school after spring break. So what are you going to get? You're going to get the $17 is basically it's $17 today. So let me show you a trick, guys. If you are on this page, and I'm going to just refresh it here for a second, reload. So if you're on this page, watch this. If I go to scroll off this page, whoa, claim $3 off. Just a really cool trick to get that for $14. Okay, so I would definitely unlock the 2 billion additional premium buyers for 10 bucks. Like, that's amazing. Now here's what you're going to get with it. You get the copy and paste commission app. You get the copy and paste commission done for you campaigns. You get the video series, which is all the training you need to be able to use exactly this system. So it shows you exactly how to use it, how to get the AI creating your thing for you. The copy and paste, the quick start guide. So if you just like bullet points, you're going to get that as well. You're going to get the checklist. You're going to get the swipe file. So this is very important if you're getting into affiliate marketing for the first time. This is your most valuable asset. Okay. I actually included in my bonuses are some of my swipes too. So you'd be getting not only these 300 swipes, you'd be getting my killer swipes as well. 100% free autoresponder. So it comes with an autoresponder. If you don't know what an autoresponder is, it's just a program that allows you to set up automated emails. Not an auto reply, which some people get confused with. It's actually an autoresponder. So you can write an email and you can send it to your entire list, and Google doesn't get mad for you doing it. And if you're into affiliate marketing, it's all about building a list. There's a free traffic system. There's a 7-day case study. Case studies are so valuable, guys, because it shows you exactly what people are doing in order to make their systems work. And then he does a masterclass, and he does a Facebook community. So you can get it all for $17.97. Again, I showed you how to get it for less. Okay. Now there is some upsells in it. You can go through this page, guys, but I really like this image that Glenn put together. So the old manual way of doing it, you find a niche, you hire someone to create a business, you get on camera, record reviews and videos, design landing pages. Guys, I just went and did my bonus landing page, and guess what? I'm going to give you my bonus landing page. So that's even done for you. Host everything on expensive servers, write and design emails, hire someone to manage each campaign, write and design expensive ad campaigns, spend money on social media, barely make a cent. Now you just grab your license, you copy and paste your affiliate link, everything is done for you, and then let the system sell it. And you get paid automated passive commissions. This is what we all do. Once you understand this part of it, this sucks. This is how we do it. Okay. So I really like this image. Go to the page, check it out. Now, you can read on. There's tons of bonuses. There's lots and lots of bonuses. We're going to make sure that you get all of them. The upsells are right here. So the unlimited version of it, which I always recommend getting unlimited, get the unlimited, is going to be 67. But if you do that, scroll off the page, you can pick it up for 37. The done for you, basically, they set up your system for you. But you can get this if you're not that tech savvy. But you know what? This is so easy to do. You don't really need it. Unlimited traffic, of course, they've already given you a traffic package. But if you want more traffic, which is the blood of your system, is 47 on the downsell. And then there's automation ATM ultimate. And basically these guys, these just basically give you more bells and whistles in the back office. You can make this work with just the unlimited version or even just the front end $17 one. But if you want all the bells and whistles, you want to pick these up. Now, the one thing here about when you see something called license rights, that means that he will bump your commissions for up to $100,000. So inside the system, you're going to be able to sell this system and make commissions. Well, if you own the license right, you get 100% commissions. So that's kind of one thing you might want to look at there, the license rights. Okay, so let's go over to my bonus page. So this is my plug and play system. Lets you copy and paste for our done for you system. So this is the bonus page. So you're going to get my cheetah method, and you're also going to get, you'll be tagged to get my cheetah method 2.0, which as soon as I'm finished this video, I'm going to go back and get that finished. And it's taking what I did in cheetah method and expanding it out to a full-fledged course, everything you're going to need in there. So you're going to be tagged to receive that as well. You're also going to get Jonah Armstrong's lockdown formula. You're going to get the killer super swipes. Remember what I told you about? This is my killer super swipes. You're going to get that. You're going to be able to use this exact plug and play bonus page. So when you want to promote it, you could also send someone some bonuses, and you'll be able to give away these bonuses as well. I'm going to give you my 10K a month free training course, and you're going to get all of this this 10K a month training course for free. All right, guys. So those are the bonuses, and we've showed you the page. I don't have a video to show you right now, so that's what it is. So let me jump back on here, and I'll show you. All right. So what do I think about the 30K, the AI 30K system? I love it. I love these systems. Glenn puts together a really cool marketing suite that you're able to use. You're able to just basically get your affiliate links and plug them in. He has a whole bunch of done for you campaigns in there. It's something that you're going to be able to use over and over and over. The thing too is once you get into a couple of Glean's products, you're able to promote them, and they sell really, really well. So you become part of his sort of affiliate team. So every time he launches something, he's going to say, "Hey, JVs, come out and promote it." So once you own a couple of his products, you're going to be promoting other products that he comes out with, and he comes out with at least one a month, guys. So it's a really great environment to be in, where you are always going to have new stuff to be selling to the list that you're making. And when I mean selling is just emailing your list. Like if you're watching this and you've joined any of my programs, you're probably on my email list. So you'll be getting an email talking about this system, talking about the bonus page. So that's basically how you go. Are there any downsides? Not really. Like it's really, he really puts full packages together. If you own some of his other products, maybe then you already have it. But whenever he puts out a new product, he always puts a little twist on it. He always improves it a little bit. So maybe you bought one before for $17, and maybe you had the thing, the upsell, and you're using that. Well, this one is going to be a little bit better. And he's always making his programs a little bit better, and he's using the latest technology. So the earlier ones didn't have the AI support, right? They were just basically done for you, so you weren't able to create truly artificial intelligence unique content, which is what AI is. What's so cool about AI and Chat GPT? It's how unique the content is and how well it writes the content. So, anyways, that's what we have for you guys. So make sure you go grab it. Click the link below. I'll put the very first link will be take you to the bonus page. You can see my bonuses. Click through, and you'll be taken to the product. And then if this isn't for you, check out my #1 recommended business below. I put a link for that as well. And then reach out to me if you're on social media. Reach out to me on my Facebook. Make sure you hit subscribe. Drop a comment. Say, "Hey, Glenn, great video," and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.